There were...
Hirap pala mag-vlog, Rico. Cut! Ito, cut mo yung tito ah.
Since you push my life aside.
For today's videos, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marriott Hotel.
Okay, let's go.
For today's videos, nandito tayo sa
Marriott Bonvoy Hotel.
Bonvoy Hotel. Okay, so, ano? Ba't tayo naging proxy dito?
Ayun, kasi yung host.
Yung host ng ating show nakatulog at hindi na nagising. Overtake tayo. So kami na naging proxy on his behalf.
Punta tayo ngayon sa concert ni Delia D.
Okay, so bawal pala mag-vlog. Sinabihan kami doon, bawal daw mag-video sa Twitter. Pero we're gonna try our best para sa boss namin. So, next. Yan, dito na tayo sa theater, so
Dito na tayo.
dito na kami magsa-stop.
Performing Arts.
Dito na kami bawal mag-record, so hi guys.
Okay, sige na. So, andito na ngayon sa loob ng theater ni Delia D. Mamaya, bawal pa mag-video pag-start. Kaya update na lang kayo.
Hashtag proxy lang.
Update na lang kami. So,
Bye.
Bye.
Next. 3, 2, 1.
Next.
Alright, so kakatapos lang namin dun sa nakatapos na namin panoorin si Delia D. And not bad. What do you think?
It's pretty good. At first, I thought I wouldn't enjoy kasi I'm not really into that stuff. Pero at the end, parang nabuhay ako. Nabuhay.
Okay guys, kakatapos lang namin panoorin si Delia, musical theater. It wasn't that bad. I kind of liked it. What do you think, Iwan?
It's really good kasi like very lively yung performance nila. And at the end nga tinutok sa amin yung camera. Tuktuwa ako. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung live ba yun. Live ba yun?
Yeah, wait. I don't think so. Or parang kinapture lang nila para siguro ipopost mamaya. I don't know. Maybe. So yun ang review ng ating munting kapatid, si Yuan. So ako rin, nagustuhan ko naman. It wasn't that bad naman talaga. So ayun. After namin panoorin, medyo dapat sundan mo pala ang mga rules nila. They're very strict. Masyado silang... Not really. I think tama naman na ganun yung rules nila.
Yung mga rules nila is bawal po kayo magdala ng mga outside food tsaka drinks. Then, bawal 3 below. No filming. Ano pa? Ano pa ba yun?
I think pag nahuli ka, ile-laser ka nila from the balcony.
Pag nahuli ka talaga, ile-laser ka nila.
Good manners ka na lang. Sundin mo yung manners mo. Huwag kang gagawa ng kahit ano. So maybe, yun lang. Yun lang ang na-review namin. So, number by rate, what do you think?
1 to 10?
Yeah, from 1 to 10. What do you think?
9. I'll give it a 9. Ikaw?
I'll give it an 8. But, ito
Yeah.
yung pinanood. Tulog pa rin yung master namin. What do you think?
Tulog pa rin yun.
Affirmative. Tulog pa rin siya. So, see you guys later and thank you for watching.
Next.
3, 2, 1. Next!
Okay, after nila manood sa theater, nagkita-kita kami dito sa McDo para mag-dinner kami. So after namin mag-dinner dito, babalik kami sa room or baka mag-swimming tsaka mag-gym kami.
Pinag ng tissue.
Okay, kain muna kami. Tapos, mamaya, mag-gym at saka mag-swimming tayo. Okay? Next.
All right. Hello po. Welcome back. This is the Proxy.
So, tapos na kami kumain sa McDo. Punta muna kami ng room para magpahinga. And then after, punta kami ng gym or either magsiswimming kami.
On the floor to review this wonderful hotel. Getting back to the Filipinos, back in Los Angeles, back in California. Shout out to my grandfather, he's back in California. So this is the casino. Yes, sir. So, knowing everything that we have seen today, yes, we are
Yes.
very...
Pwede natin sabihin sa sa drag queen na yun.
What else is to say about doon?
Okay, what else can we say about the theater show? You know? Yeah, we need to provide some details about it.
So, we... Well,
Hirap pala mag-vlog, Rico.
after going through the musical theater, yes, don't worry, I'll just do a quick voiceover, doing our thing while you watch the scenery right now. Well, our review about the musical theater of Delia D was extraordinary. Well, it had a moral lesson, as all musical theaters or stories have to go. The the ambience was great. The place was really massive. I really liked how the play went. So, like I was saying, the play went really nice. The whole theater was cold, very cold, and nonetheless, everything was pretty good. That's all I could say right now. The theater was amazing. There were.
As you can see,
And as you can see, because of Marriott.
ongoing wedding.
Am I correct? Is this Marriott?
Miguel, yeah.
Well,
Miguel,
yeah. Shout out to Miguel and Isha. I hope you're hosting a wonderful wedding. We are witnessing right in front of us. This is not part of the vlog anymore.
So, in Marriott Bonvoy, they have like a place where you can do weddings. What else? Weddings.
Going back to the grand what do you call this? The grand staircase of the Marriott. As you can see, it is really nice. Interior, everything is dim, but having still that cozy feeling. Then there's supposed to be a stage here for live music, which I'll be trying for today. For tonight.
Okay, so this is the Marriott Bonvoy.
Having a quiet review on the bar in the middle, we can see that there is near this this what?
Ayun, pinatito.
So we can see we are closing in. We are closing in on real people right now. Yes. Yeah. Cut. Cut. Wag na pala. Let's go back. I don't want to cause a scene.
Right.
Till I finally tried.
Hindi ba tayo makaka-copyright yan?
Ha?
Hindi ba tayo makaka-copyright yan?
Not living. Okay, so back to it.
Not living.
Hindi tayo makaka-copyright dahil sa kinakanta ko. So thank you very much. Continuing with our tour, we're going to the
The
The elevators, yes. Okay, so continuing with that.
No, we're at the Marriott Cafe.
This is the cafe?
Yes, Marriott Cafe. Okay. The Marriott Cafe is open 24/7 and it has a lot of different food items. Here, hey, meron po silang 8 p.m. sale. Ano ba yan? Mga bread, size cakes, and sandwiches. Okay. So 50% off. Nakita mo mga choices. Ham and mayo bread, local breads, farmer breads. Betang-benta to nga namin nila, wala. Kaya nung umaga meron yan eh. Puno. Okay. Ano ba meron dito? Ay, sige. Dito tayo. Moving on. Ito po yung mga pastries nila. Cake, desserts, coffee. Show the menu. Yeah. Okay. So, meron pala silang, ano to? Cake? Cake ba to? Ano ba? Chocolate. Okay. So, gumagawa sila ng mga chocolate bag, shoes. Yan o. Ganda nga eh. Ito, chocolate tools. Wait ah. Ganda. Ang mahal. 500. Para sa chocolate tools. Yan, so they have a lot of varieties of ice cream. Different varieties of ice cream. Ube gelato. Cookies and cream gelato. Ay! Okay, gelato and ice cream pala to. 62% Philippine dark chocolate. Different. Oh, okay. These are the other desserts. Like red, white, blue. Sa likod. Nakalungan. Pakita ko siya. So, bali parang, ano pala to, no? Buffet. No?
Sige, wag ka lang dyan. Don't mind me. Basta datandan, tamaan ka.
Parehas kami gumagano kung saan siya, dun din ako. Ano ba yan?
Sumimasen. Senpai, sumimasen. Okay. Hello. So this is the part where you can where you can make your own salad with different choices of meats and croutons and Parmesan cheese. Various fruits with carrots, tomatoes, anything you can name, and that's all. But here's one more thing: it has a side of pickled carrots and onions. So right now, the buffet is filled with a lot of people. Kind of hard to document everything here to vlog. So yeah, that's it. Here's the part where you can grab pastries, every different kind of pastry, all Filipino cuisine. Ay, okay, sige. And so this is the front of the hotel where actually after from the front you just go a little bit more here to the back. You can see a collection of liquors and wines and champagne. You get it, it's a bar. So they have a small cozy bar that you can see. There's a bartender. You can see that. And let's move a little bit forward. Well, you can see this is a place that you can really enjoy, and you can see everybody in here. So moving on, I think we should take a look at the back. We're still at the back. So after the bar, we saw something in the back that does this open? It does open. I'm just kidding. So here's the back. There is a outdoor lounge that you can relax. It's just nature. This is it. There's a few chairs, tables, cushioned couches, and there is a place that you can see. You can go sightseeing at this part. You can still see that, but this is a perfect place where you can sit down under an umbrella, and there's a lot of lamps. So going back inside, this is another entrance to the cafe. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay, another entrance to the cafe, and it just keeps going here from the back.
Okay.
Seeing there's another lounge, right?
Yeah. Okay, so moving from here, once we go a bit deeper at the back, there will be some relics, and it costs a lot of money. Okay. Over here we have the Cruise Steakhouse, which I think it's their signature restaurant. I'm not sure. Here, show the light. So here at the Cruise Steakhouse, there's minimal noise and relaxing music. You can also do reservations here, and ooh, show the show. 6,000 Philippine pesos. Okay. Yo, should sort of like wine calorie. Okay, so right outside the steakhouse, we have some We have some paintings, relics, just some art. There. Okay. And they just basically show them na lang. Okay, so moving on forward, this is the west wing of Marriott Bonvoy Hotel. Okay, so siguro, I think at night, there's a live band going on.
That's another bar?
Oh yeah, there's another bar.
You kidding?
We're now heading to the swimming pool. So the swimming pool in the west wing is located at the roof deck. Pinaka top. So here, I'm gonna turn left. As you can see, there is a gym. Okay. Pwede pa kaya? Sige, tara. So here, they have an outdoor pool. They have a bar. It's a bar. Okay, so they have a nice, beautiful view. Beautiful. Here we have bar. The pool is only 4 feet and there's a shower area over there. Right there. And I'm assuming that's a bar. Ang dami nilang bar dito. Yan. And itong bar nila open. Ano? It opens at day and night. I'm not sure if it's 24/7. Ayun. Di ko sure kung kita sa camera pero golf course.
That's a golf course?
That's a golf course. So may golf course sila. Kanila ba yun? I'm not sure. Pero may golf course dito sa likod ng hotel. Uy, maambon na pa. Maambon. Tara. Okay. Papunta na kami sa room kasi umuulan na.
Open at 24/7 yan.
Pati po dun sa isang gym po.
Yes po. Parehas po.
Okay po. Yung pool niyo po doon, 24/7 din po.
Hindi po. 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. lang po.
Okay po.
Facilities like food.
Pati doon
sauna,
po sa
jacuzzi.
Doon po sa kabila.
Yes po.
Sige po. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Apo. So, itong gym nila, it's open for 24/7. Pero yung mga pool nila, it's 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tama? Yeah. Yan, habang nagtitreadmill, may view kayo dyan. Ganda nga eh.
Okay, nandito tayo sa second floor. Tapos i-check natin yung mga facilities nila dito. Ito, may swimming pool, one spa, health club, and salon. Tara! Let's go! Tagal nung camera.
Dito may lounge area sila dito.
Ah, dito may lounge. Oh, may lounge area pala to. Ayun, oh.
Yan.
May
Pwede
wedding.
ka tumambay dito.
Oh, pwede ka tumambay.
Tambay-tambay.
May lounge area dito sa right side. Tapos diretso tayo dun sa mga facilities na iba. Ayun, oh. One spa. Di ba tama pag nag-swimming na, di ba may towel na bibigyan na sila dyan?
Okay ba tayo? Sige, dito tayo. Dito.
Until what time ang swimming pool?
Swimming pool.
Until what time? 10.
Okay.
Ang swimming pool nila ay hanggang... Saan yung camera? Yun! Ang camera tuloy. Ang swimming pool nila, ang swimming pool nila hanggang 10 p.m. Tapos dito sa right side, kailangan nyo ng access card para sa gym. Ayan, oh, health club. Diyan yung sa gym. Oh, check muna natin yung pool. Sabi ko na hanggang 10 p.m. siya. Let's check the swimming pool. Swimming pool, di ba? 4 feet.
4 feet. 4 feet at yung...
Uy, sarap maligo, maambon.
Yeah. Kasi bawal ako.
Hindi sila, mag-swimming na sila. Kahit 1 hour lang. Ito yung pool, tapos meron pa sa kabila. Ito yung, may isang pool siya dito, 4 feet, tapos sa kabila may 2 feet pa siya. Doon.
Gusto nyo makita?
Mag-swimming ba kayo?
Makita?
Kahit 1 hour, ayaw nyo ba?
Tignan ko.
Or mag-workout na lang, mag-treadmill na lang tayo.
Tignan ko.
Ito may jacuzzi pala siya eh.
Ito, itong swimming pool nila, yung pinagkaiba doon sa West Wing, may anong yung jacuzzi nila? 4. 4 pa 3? Ay hindi, 3. Apart na siya ng swimming pool nila. It's a part of it. Yun, dun sa dulo, 2 feet naman yung pool.
Maambon.
Peaceful siya. Hindi nga nung punta. Hindi, maambang nga kanina dun sa West Wing kasi dito.
Yung ano Yuan, yung gym, until what time?
Okay, so yung gym, kagaya dun sa West Wing, 24/7 din dito.
Ah, talaga? Yung gym? 24/7?
24/7.
Ah, magta-treadmill talaga ako. Ang cute naman ng shower niya, may ilaw po.
Hindi, tsaka ang ganda ng design niya dito sa pag-entrance ng pool. Kaya
Kyle, tignan mo, ipakita mo daw yung entrance siya, oh, para siyang yung sa beach. Diba? Yan, 2 feet yan. Tapos pakita mo, Kyle, yung ano, yung shower niya, oh, ang ganda, may ilaw pa, oh. Para ka nasa ano, stage, center stage. Dito, ganyan ka. Shower ka dito. Talaga dito pa. Sarap ganda ng shower niya, puro ilaw.
Mamaya dito yung view sa ano, maganda sa video.
Parang ano, hanggang Monday daw tayo, di ba?
Kayo.
Ang kayo, ikaw din.
Uuwi na kami ng Sunday.
Lah,
Bahala ka dyan.
di siya updated. Di updated.
Ayaw nyo. Okay. Pero yung CR nila maganda. Ano yung parang isang malaking jacuzzi. Siguro like ganyan siya.
Japanese style CR.
Ang laki, ang ganda.
Pwede, wala ka mong walang tao.
Ito. Dito, halika. Kaya halika. Dito.
Nice!
Dito, may shower area siya dito. Okay, okay. Ito na.
Ang galing.
Diba?
Para siyang ano, yung snail, yung shell ng snail, di ba?
Yeah, ma'am.
Di ba pakita mo kung ano ito yan?
Masarap dito. Ay, dito pala sa swimming pool nila, may bar din pala. Sir? Open po ba yung bar niyo po? 24/7?
Sarado mo, sir.
Anong oras po?
10 to 6 lang, sir.
10 to 6 po.
Gusto nyo ng bar, sir? Meron sa kabila. Hanggang 9 po.
9 po. Sige po. Yung bar nila, 10 to 6.
Takto tayo dyan, nilero tayo dyan. Di ba yan natin sila?
Yung bar nila dito, 10 to 6. Tapos dun sa kabila, hanggang 9 naman.
10 to 6 p.m.
Siguro 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. dito. Tapos dun sa kabila, hanggang 9 p.m. naman.
Kaya itong gym, paano mo nalaman 24 hours yung gym? Dito naman tayo sa health club.
Yan.
Sabihin mo na yung...
Dito, ito po yung mga gagamitin nyo. Pagkatapos nyo gamitin yung mga equipment, syempre lilinisin nyo. Yan. Peroxide mortar surface cleaner.
Ito na yung sa health club niya. Yan may treadmill, meron pang mga equipment. May heavy equipment din sila doon. So, meron pang mga, ang tawag doon? Yung mga, basta yung mga bola-bola doon, yun. Sago-sago. Ha?
Gym ball or medicine?
Gym ball. Gym ball?
Gym ball.
Gym ball. Gym ball. Comment nyo guys, tama ba yung gym ball na yun?
Gym ball or medicine?
Tapos dito, yan. May dito yung mga dumbbell nila. Tapos may screen uli kayo dito. Ba? Kompleto siya dito. Yan, DB rack daw. Dumbbell rack.
Okay, so itong gym nila, it's open for 24/7. Pero, lika. Pwede kong pumasok dito.
Kasi ako yung magpapakita.
Pwede kong pumasok ng ganyan, no? Ayos, diba? Kahit wala lang keycard yan. Kaso naglalak yan ng 10 p.m. So by 10 p.m. dapat keycard na yung gagamitin mo dyan. Tapos itong gym, only 18 plus. Bawal yung mga minor. Pwede po pumasok, pero di po pwede gumamit ng mga gym equipment. Tapos yung mga 17 naman po, pwede po sila mag-sign ng waiver. Tapos dapat may kasamang guardian. Okay? Next. So dito yung spa nila. Ganda, no? Kwan Spa. Yan. Pwede pong pumasok. Pwede. Tahimik. Yan.
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know. Vampire, right? Vampire will fade to me!
Parang horror game to. Uy! Yan. Ay, ang ganda. Yan. Sige, tara na.
And now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my life aside and out of my head. So guys, bumalik na tayo sa room.
After natin mag-tour sa mga sa mga facilities na sa second floor, balik na muna tayo sa room. Kasi kailangan ng proper attire, di ba? Magti-treadmill tayo. At hindi pwede yung mga minor. At ayoko silang kasama. Okay, next. Yan, coffee machine siya. Electric kettle. May pads. Tapos TV. Yan. Tapos nandito yung safe niya. Ayan, safe. Tapos meron siya dito sa kabila ng plancha tsaka kabayo yun. City ref mo. Bababa. Yung complimentary water. So ito yung may mga bayad tayo. Sa CR mo. Tapos meron siyang bathtub. Tapos may shower siya dun. Yung sarap. Tapos dito mo siya pipindutin. Para dun sa pag nandigo ka, yung curtain. Yan. Dito mo siya pipindutin.
Nice!
Yan, para pag naliligo ka, pwede ka manood. Okay guys, kaninang umaga pagkagising namin, nag-coffee na kami, tapos may mga bread kami kasi yung ibang kasama natin nanalo sa casino may bread tayo. Kasi may points yun, tapos pwede yung free yung bread. Worth 1,000 yung bread. Tapos ikaw pipili. So ngayon, 11 AM na. Magla-lunch kami sa McDo uli. Lakad kami sa McDo.
No! Ikaw na kaya ako magsasabi. Segundo. Dahil po na yung McDo sa... Dahil po na yung McDo sa Kenny Raj na kami nakain. Dito sa ilalim ng Sheraton. Ano natin? Tabi ng Hilton nata. Hilton nata yung tabi nito tapos sa baba ng Sheraton.
Yeah,
walking distance lang naman siya galing sa Mario.
Okay.
Yes.
Ang ating ulam, ang fish. At may soup. Okay. Dahil nauna kami mag-swimming. Tapos na kami. Pinabayan na namin sa mga tuyo. Okay. Next. Mabilis ang naka-ready na rin yung mga maleta namin. Tapos ready na kami for checkout. Kasi yung checkout dito is 12 noon. Okay? Next.